In this video, we will be playing around with formulas. Section is named as Transposition of Formulae. The first question, we have to make t the subject of the formula p equals c over square root of t. For this, we need t. We can square up both sides of the equation. That gives us p squared, c squared, and square root of t can be written as t to the power half squared. Gives us p squared equals c squared over t. Since we need to make t as a subject of the formula, we can multiply the entire equation by t, which gives us tp squared equals c squared. And we can divide the entire equation by p squared, which gives us c squared over p squared, which is the final answer. For the second question, we have to make n the subject of the formula. So we can begin by multiplying the entire equation by small l, which gives us l times l mu n squared times a. We can divide the entire equation by mu a, which gives us l times l over mu times a equals n squared. I'm just going to switch sides. Now we can take the square root of the entire equation. That will give us n equals l times l mu a, which is the final answer. Now, in this question, we'll only be doing 3 of them. You can do the first one on your own. The answer will be there at the end of the video. For question B, we have s equals 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. We have to make h as a subject of the equation. We can subtract both sides by 2 pi r squared. Gives us 2 pi r h. We can divide both sides by 2 pi r. And that's the final answer, where h is a subject of the formula. For c, we have q equals square root of c plus d over c minus d. And we have to make c as a subject of the formula. We can square both sides of the equation. So q squared equals c plus d over c minus d. We can multiply both sides by c minus d. So that's q squared times c minus d equals c plus d. I'm going to open the bracket. So we have q squared times c minus q squared times d equals c plus d. I'm going to bring the like terms to either side. So I'm going to bring c to the left hand side. I have q squared c minus c equals minus q squared d. When I bring it to the other side, I have q squared d plus d. I have to make c as a subject. So I'll take c out as a common factor. At q squared minus 1 equals q squared d plus d. I can divide the entire equation by q squared minus 1. It gives me c equals q squared times d plus d divided by q squared minus 1, which is our final answer. For the fourth question, I have x plus y over 3 equals x minus y over 7 plus 2. And I have to make x as a subject of the equation. Here I can split the fraction as so, because it's addition and subtraction. I will take the x terms to one side, as a subject of the equation has to be x. And that gives me x over 3 minus x over 7 equals minus y over 3 minus y over 7 plus 2. So that's x times 1 over 3 minus 1 over 7 equals 2 times minus 2 minus y times 1 over 3 plus 1 over 7. So that's 7 minus 3 over 21 equals 2 minus 7 plus 3 over 21. That gives me 4 over 21. 10 over 21. I'm going to divide the entire equation by 4 over 21, which will give me I can write that as 21 over 4 times 2 minus 10y over 21. So that's 21 over 4 times 2 minus 10 times y over 21 times 21 over 4. That gives us 21 over 2 minus 10 over 4 times y. That's 5 over 2. That's 21 minus 5 over 2. So x equals 21 minus 5 over 2, which is our final answer. For the fourth question, we have G equals n times E over NL plus M. We have to make n as a subject of the formula. To do so, I'm going to multiply the entire equation by NL plus M. Next, I'm going to expand the bracket. So multiplying each term, I have J times NL plus JM equals NE. I'm going to subtract the entire equation by NE. Take n as a common term. Subtract the entire thing by Jm. Divide the entire thing by JL minus E. I can rewrite that as I can multiply the negative sign in the denominator, and I will get Jm over E minus JL as my final answer.